How awesome does it feel when people say thank you sincerely? The expression of any form of thanks is rare on a construction job site, mostly because guys think that it's weak. That's ridiculous.
Today, we're going to work on the very simple concept of saying thank you. Start by looking around the job site for people doing great work. Look for vendors kicking ass for you. Look for anyone who's helping someone else do their work well. Look for people making a notable effort trying to do a good job. Go up to that person and say, "Hey, thanks for a great job. I really appreciate it." Use a person's name when you thank them. It makes it personal and real. Look the person in the eye. That's how they know you're being sincere. Describe exactly what it is that you're thanking them for. Making it specific makes it real. And finally, if you're thanking them for something they did that was really significant, consider shaking their hand. It signifies they've really made an impact and that you are raising them up to your level of respect.
Say thank you. Say thank you all the time. If you do this, you'll just hit a home run. Don't even think about it. Don't even argue with me. It's huge. Please just say thank you. Today, every day. Get in the habit. It works. Make a difference. You're a professional. Now go get it.